Hey guys, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. Today I'm going to be making a recipe out of the second edition of the Taste and See cookbook, and it's called Good Morning Kisses. So I've got my helper, and she is hopefully not eating the candy and unwrapping the candy. So let me show you what we're doing. Okay, so say hi, Marianne. Okay, so you're gonna need 40 Hershey Kisses. You're gonna need two 10-count cans of flaky biscuits, and I couldn't find the 10-count, so I got the 5-count, so I got 4 of them because you're gonna need a total of 20 biscuits. Melted butter. It doesn't say how much melted butter. It just says melted butter. And so, what are you doing? And so I did a half a stick, and we're going to start out with that and see how it goes. And then you're going to need... What? Yeah. Yeah. You're going to need cinnamon and sugar, 3 parts sugar to 1 part cinnamon. So if I can get these biscuits open, I'll show you what I'm going to do. And then I'll end up doing most of them off camera. So you're going to take the flaky biscuits, and I'm guessing this is why you got to have the flaky biscuits, because you're going to separate the biscuit like in half, like this. And then you're going to put your Hershey Kiss in the middle, and then you're going to wrap it up like a dumpling. And kind of roll it into a ball. That's what it says. Unwrap kisses, split biscuits in half. Put kiss in the center of biscuit and scrunch up. Place biscuit on a cookie sheet and continue on placing biscuit side by side. And then you're going to melt your butter, and we'll get to that part. So I'm just going to lay these over here on my cookie sheet and fast forward it, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I just decided to do 2 cans of biscuits, which will give us 20 little balls. And that's what we've decided to do. Huh, Marianne? Yeah, can you roll it, roll it? Roll it, 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 roll it. Good job. And this is a good, good thing to do with your kids, because, you know, why not? So what you're gonna do is, after you get these all rolled up, and hopefully they stay rolled up, because if you have helpers. Hey, look, put the kisses on the biscuits. Can you put those on the biscuits? Put them on the biscuits. Here, I'll roll. You put the biscuits on. You put the kisses on. Put the kisses on. Hopefully, if you have, I know that was kind of thick, so I don't know if it rolled up or not. Oh, she's gonna do that one. So, after you get this done, you're gonna put the melted butter on top, and then sprinkle your cinnamon and sugar. Hey, look. And sprinkle your cinnamon and sugar on it. Nope, that one's already done. And then, look, there's one more. Here. Put that one over there. And then you're going to, good job. But let's put this one right here. Then you're going to bake it at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes, or until biscuits are lightly done. Okay, let's set them out. And I don't know if these spread. Yeah, I bet you could put these in a shape, like if you're doing them for Christmas morning, you could do them in the shape of a Christmas tree, or something like that. I think they're supposed to kind of be like a pull apart kind of thing. So you could do them in a shape. That would be kind of cool, or, you know, a wreath or something. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna, wait a minute. Nope, we're done doing that. We're gonna put this all over. We're gonna put our butter on top. Yeah, we're gonna do it. More. You wanna do it? Okay, you do it. Put it on there. Put it over here on these. Good job. Get some more. Good job, sis. Good job. Do these. Yeah, get some more. It's like painting, isn't it? Okay. Oh, this one doesn't have any on it. Aw. That one doesn't have none on it. Let's put some on that one. Doesn't have none. Okay. More? Okay, just make sure those are all coated. And then I've already got my cinnamon and sugar mixture mixed up. And just says to sprinkle. And if I had a shaker, I'd probably use a shaker, but this works. More? Okay, can you do it? Good job. More? All right, now let's put these in the oven, okay? Okay, let me hit the spoon. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so these just came out of the oven, so they are super hot. But look how cute they are. So I'll show you here. I'll put it down here so you can see what it looks like. So, oh, baby girl, I didn't know you was climbing up there. No. Okay, so this is what they look like. And some of them busted open. I think the ones that have the seam on the bottom are prettier. So make sure whenever you do this that when you roll them out, you put the seam on the bottom, or they're gonna do this right here. I'm gonna let these cool off for just a little bit, and then I will try one. Actually, I think I'm just gonna try one now. The biscuit part probably tastes like monkey bread. If you've never had monkey bread, I'm actually gonna do a video of that here in just a little bit, because I have biscuits and I never had biscuits. So, doesn't taste quite like monkey bread, but and for some reason the kisses I guess kisses don't melt, do they? Do they melt? When it's hot, too hot. But it is really good. I'm actually gonna have to. So if you liked the video, if you think my little helper is cute, hit that like button. Can you say hit the like button? Can you say like it? Like it. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Sunday Potluck. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.